Have you heard about digital marketing solutions?
Yes, it's a game changer for businesses looking to boost their online presence and drive real results.
How does it work?
Our team of expert marketers tailors strategies to fit your specific goals, whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise.
What are the benefits?
Imagine reaching a wider audience, generating more leads, and converting them into loyal customers. Our data-driven approach ensures that your marketing efforts are targeted and effective.
That sounds great. How do you optimize websites and improve search engine rankings?
We leverage the latest technology and industry best practices to optimize your website, improve your search engine rankings, and drive organic traffic. Our team of SEO experts will help your business rise to the top.
What other services do you offer?
Our digital marketing solutions encompass a comprehensive range of services, including captivating social media campaigns, compelling content creation, and targeted email marketing.
How does this benefit business owners?
We know that your time is valuable, which is why we handle every aspect of your online marketing so you can focus on what you do best, running your business.
That's great to hear. How can businesses get started?
Contact us today for a free consultation and let us show you how our digital marketing strategies can revolutionize your online presence.
Thank you for the information. Your services sound amazing.
Thank you. We're excited to help businesses grow and succeed with our digital marketing solutions.